Guys, we are here at beautiful Sun City Peachtree in Griffin, Georgia. We're going to be responding to a call today to fix a fender on a Nissan Altima for a customer. He's got a pretty badly damaged fender. Looks like something was backed into it, but no worries. We're going to fix it with Paintless Dent Repair today. So we're going to go ahead, go inside, and go have a look at this vehicle.
So what you're looking at right now is those two deep lines. That's actually the point of impact and the deepest part of the dent. It pushed that area in so deep that it actually folded that body line in as well and dented the metal all the way down to the lower edge of the fender. And then you can actually see that the dent trails all the way up into the upper part of the fender as well, right up near that upper body line. So it covers a pretty wide area. It's a fairly large dent. I believe it was backed into by a golf cart, if I remember right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start to remove the clips from the inside of the fender liner so we can get that plastic fender liner out of the way. That will allow us to get our tools inside there and start applying pressure to the back side of the panel. We're using our light there to kind of gauge the repair, using those reflections to bring the metal back to its original shape. Of course, this is done without Bondo or paint or any kind of fillers, so what you're seeing is just manipulation of the metal back to its pre-damaged condition. So what I'm showing you right here is actually the other fender. You can see that there's an actual curve, kind of a wave in the panel towards the middle of the fender going back towards the front door. That's just a natural curve in the panel. It's meant to be there. It's just kind of some of the style and design on this particular vehicle. And what we've done is we've removed the dent on this side and restored that natural curve in the panel so it matches the other side. We've removed the dent all the way down to the bottom edge, gotten it out of the body line as well.
Alright guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you'd like to get in touch with us about scheduling a repair, you can reach us at 678-544-3004. You can shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can find us at our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com, and we'll post a link to that down in the description for this video. Alright guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.